Or maybe even a little bit shorter, like a little bob situation. Oh, wait a minute. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kyra Sean. Oh, this video is sponsored by me. It is officially WIGMAS! Yeah! I'm so excited! Y'all know I've been waiting since last December to say that again. I am so hyped that we are finally back in the WIGMAS Christmas season, y'all. Listen. Now this is my third year doing WIGMAS. If you've been here for a while, you know that I normally work with my other wig baes, aka YouTubers, to show you guys some holiday looks that you may want to add to the wish list or go ahead and fit into that budget. You hear me? But this year I decided to do something a little different. Not only am I shouting out some of my favorite wig baes, I'm also featuring you guys. That's right, my favorite wig baes, not only on YouTube, but also that be down in my comments showing your girl so much love. If you want to showcase your favorite holiday wig, feel free to send me a picture or a 30-second clip letting me and everyone else know why this is your favorite wig for the holidays, okay? But to kick off the very first day of WIGMAS, as always, I got my girl Nizzy. Don't she look good, y'all? Don't my girl look good? Listen, Nizzy has been the first one that I kick off with every single year since I started WIGMAS, and it just has become a trend. So when I hit her up to kick it off, she said, of course. Not only does she give bomb wig reviews, she also slays her makeup and also gives you some fashion hauls for the thick girls, if you know what I'm saying, okay? I like that. So make sure after my video, you go ahead and check out Nizzy's video link down below and tell her that Kyra Sean sent you, okay? Now before we get into this look, just know this one is a long time coming, okay? I've been sitting on this joint for over a year and y'all have been asking and asking and asking for her. We finally here. Now before we get into this all the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Santa's coming to visit.
Okay, listen. I'm feeling myself, y'all. Y'all can already tell the colors, the hair, the makeup, the lips, the hands. Okay, I'm feeling myself, and rightfully so. Sensational? This is from the Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss Lace What Lace wig line. This is the unit LATISHA. I got her in the color 1B, and this unit does retail, I believe, around $60. Okay, $60 for this joint. Okay, what are you supposed to get? This unit does come with a 13x6 HD lace parting space. That's 13 inches from ear to ear, 6 inches deep here in the middle. It also has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This unit does fit down more, I would say big head associate. I do have her sprayed down as you saw my put down. However, it does not come all the way down onto my sides. So you can see my edges are out, but you know, we still made it do what it do, baby. Okay. Now, Sensational, based on your card, you're saying this unit comes with pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline. Perfect hairline with baby. You saying the same thing over and over. So basically a natural hairline with baby hairs. I mean, natural out the pack, like on my hand, yeah. But when I put her on my head, it's gone. Like I lose it. Stop telling us pre-pluck when it's not pre-plucked. You doing the bare minimum, just like all them other brands. I need exactly what you say on the card, okay? So y'all saw I took the easy way out and just pull some hair out around the front. You don't gotta pluck anything if you don't want to pluck anything, okay? Get to pulling and you'll be just fine. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I didn't use no heat on my unit because I didn't feel like it was needed for the style that I wanted, because I wanted a nice little flip over volume-esque. I just be making up words. But I wanted a lot of volume in my unit, so I just kind of let her fall in place, and that was it. Okay, now even though this unit is pretty long, I barely got any shedding or tangling with it. However, I did get a couple snags when I was brushing through her, so just be mindful of that. This unit more than likely will shed and tangle eventually over time because of the texture. It's definitely giving off the yak with the heat to add to it, okay? So that is exactly why I say this unit for the last month of the year, because it's cold outside, okay? So I can keep warm with this joint, okay? Because other than that, I be having hot flashes. It's not my time yet, okay? I'm only 37. Not yet, not yet. Now, I definitely was tempted to cut this unit up because I wasn't really sure if I wanted her to be this long. I do feel like the length of this unit is just a little bit of a, how we say, waist. Just the end right here, this little part, it's just like hanging there, like it's just limp. And we don't like limp, do we? No, we don't. It's not as full as the rest of the unit, so you know, I probably could chop this joint, like I saw in the install, kind of folded up like that, or maybe even a little bit shorter, like a little bob situation. Oh, wait a minute. So if it gets a little too ratty or tangled up, I can definitely chop her like that. That's a look. Okay, I'm not gonna cut her today, but eventually I probably will cut her because I feel like she'll look cute in like a little bob situation. This is a gorgeous unit, okay? It's a lot of hair. It will get fuller the more you brush her out because the curls off the pack just they weren't hitting for me. But now that I brushed her on through and got her on together, she is a look, y'all. I feel so pretty. And I'm going to Walmart, listen. We got a snack in the frozen food section. Snack in the frozen food section. I'll see what I'm saying, huh? That bob is gonna look cute on me. So tempted to cut this joint, god dang. Okay, but not yet, not yet. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nizzy for collabing with me on this video. I really appreciate it. I will put a direct link for her video as well as this unit down below, so make sure you guys check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.